Hello everyone, my name is Eric. Today I want to talk about the LeetCode challenge on June 17th, surrounded regions. And the problem is we have a 2D board and it contains X or O. If the O is surrounded by the X, we should turn it into X. But if the O is on the border, we should not turn into X. I think here is the more clear explanation here. We should turn into the O into X when the O cannot be reached by the border of the O. I think it is a more clear explanation. So what we have to do is to check the O's on the border and to check whether it can reach the O inside. If the inside of the O can be reached by any of the O on the border, it should not turn into X. Otherwise, it should turn into X. So I want to illustrate my idea using this document. For this problem, we only have this O is on the border, and we will change it into fidget. And in the upside, right side, and left side, they are all X. So it cannot fidget any O anymore. So in this board, these three O's cannot be reached by the border of O. We will change into X. Then, because this O can be reached by the border of O, we will change it into O. And I want to show you another problem. Because for this problem, all the elements not on the border is changed to the X, but it is possible that the element not on the border will also be O. For this problem, we will change these two into fidget because it is on the border, and then we found that we can fidget this O by this O. So we will also change it to fidget. So for this problem, what we cannot reach is this O, so we will turn into X, and then change this phi into O. And for this algorithm, we have to take big O m time, because we may visit all the elements on the board. So the time complexity is big O m n, where m is the number of rows, and n is number of columns. And to implement this, we can use BFS. And first we create a queue, and then we add all the O's on the border using this two for loop. Then we run the BFS and turn the O that can be fidgeted by the border of O into phi. And on the second stage, we will change the phi into O because it can be fidgeted by the border of O, and change the O into X because the O that is remaining to be O is the O that cannot be fidgeted by the border of O's. To summarize this problem, I think the key idea of the problem is not right in the description is right on the explanation. But if we know the idea of the problem, we can simply solve by BFS or DFS. And the time complexity of the algorithm is big O number m times number of rows times number of columns. Thank you for watching my video.